When it comes to video, businesses are unsure of what kind of video will work, how to produce it, let alone how to measure its results. And the perception of video is, it's expensive.
The challenge with creating engagement online today is producing video that appeals to your target audience.
That's why we have created the BOXmedia Video Marketing Workshop that will change your perception of video forever.
If you're looking to prospect, build lists, drive brand loyalty and customer satisfaction, and let's be honest, which business shouldn't be, this workshop's for you.
The workshop is taking place on Thursday the 16th of August, here in our studio in Leeds. Follow the link to register, as places are limited. You will not want to market without video and these products. We look forward to seeing you here.